Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can change your mouse pointer. So this is particularly helpful if you creating videos that's showing your desktop and your screen recording and you want your mouse to be a little bit clearer. So this is a Windows 7 Windows 11, sorry, and it's for free in here so that you can actually change your style or your size for free. You don't need to download any third-party applications. So let me just show you guys how to do that. So if you come to search, you can just search for mouse pointer style, and you can just click that, and then you'll get your settings window for your mouse. And over here, as we can see, you can either select your white background or a black mouse or black and white mouse, inverted, or green mouse, or any other color. So you can choose different colors, um, any color that you want, that you need. You can also increase the size of your mouse pointer, and but that's a bit too big, and maybe just leave it like that. I think I'll go for the black just to make it a bit more something different. You can also make the circle darker and larger. You can choose text cursor, so you can choose the thickness actually of your cursor. Let's go back there, sorry. But yeah, so this comes for free inside Windows 11. And it's great if you need to adjust your mouse pointer, and make it a bit more pronounced or highlighted or bigger. But yeah, that if you want anything else, I think you're gonna have to download a third-party software to be able to do that. But this is fine for me if I just need to increase the size or change the color just to make it a bit better looking. Um, Thank you. If that helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, liking the video. Cheers, guys. Until next time, bye.